You're staring at a blank page, the cursor blinking tauntingly. You need to write a professional email, but your brain is stuck in casual Friday mode. You turn to your trusty AI assistant, but its robotic, one-size-fits-all response just doesn't cut it. We've all been there. But what if your AI could be a chameleon, seamlessly shifting its tone and personality to match your every need? What if it could be a quirky brainstorming partner one moment and a serious, no-nonsense coder the next? Well, that future is no longer a distant dream. It's here, and it's called GPT 5.1. OpenAI has just rolled out a massive update to its flagship model, and it's not just about making the AI smarter. It's about making it more human. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. It's a fundamental reimagining of how we interact with artificial intelligence. At the heart of this revolution are two brand-new models, each with its own unique personality and purpose, designed to cater to every facet of your digital life. So how exactly has OpenAI managed to give its AI a personality transplant? To understand that, we need to take a closer look at the dynamic duo that's powering this new era of ChatGPT. The centerpiece of the GPT 5.1 release is a pair of specialized models, GPT 5.1 Instant and GPT 5.1 Thinking. Think of them as two sides of the same brilliant coin. On one side, you have Instant, the quick-witted conversational virtuoso. On the other, you have Thinking, the deep, analytical powerhouse. And the best part? You don't even have to choose between them. An ingenious auto-routing feature seamlessly directs your queries to the model best suited for the task, ensuring you always get the perfect response without even thinking about it. GPT 5.1 Instant is designed to be your go-to for the vast majority of your daily interactions. OpenAI has infused it with a newfound warmth and playfulness, a deliberate move away from the sterile, templated responses of the past. It's not just about being friendly, though. Instant is also a stickler for the rules. In a side-by-side comparison, the previous GPT-5 model, when asked to always respond with 6 words, would initially comply, but then forget the instruction in subsequent, unrelated questions. GPT 5.1 Instant, however, flawlessly maintains the 6-word constraint throughout the entire conversation, a testament to its improved ability to follow instructions to the letter. Then there's GPT 5.1 Thinking, the heavy lifter of the duo. This is the model you want for your most complex, brain-bending tasks. It's been fine-tuned to be more efficient, more approachable, and more powerful than ever before. One of its most impressive new tricks is its ability to adapt its thinking time to the complexity of the question. For simple queries, it's lightning fast. But for the really tough nuts to crack, it takes its time, dedicating more computational resources to formulate a thorough and accurate answer. This means less waiting for straightforward answers and more comprehensive insights for your most challenging problems. But it's not just about what these models can do, it's about how they do it. And that's where things get really interesting. One of the most common criticisms of previous AI models was their lack of emotional intelligence. They could be incredibly smart, but they often felt cold and distant. OpenAI has taken this feedback to heart.
It was specifically those chatbot users that were put off by the so-called new personality of GPT-5. They said that it felt colder and less intuitive. But while they were loudly complaining, enterprise customers have quietly been leaning in. And it's that business opportunity which OpenAI is aggressively courting with this upgrade.
And with GPT 5.1, they've made a concerted effort to inject a healthy dose of warmth and empathy into the AI's personality. This is most evident in GPT 5.1 Thinking. Imagine this scenario. You're having a rough morning. You've just spilled coffee all over your shirt right before a big meeting. and you turn to your AI for some advice. The old GPT-5 would have given you a practical step-by-step guide to stain removal. Helpful, yes, but not exactly comforting. GPT 5.1 thinking, on the other hand, leads with empathy. It will reassure you, reframe the mishap as a sign of your resilience, and then, once you're feeling a little better, it will offer some practical solutions. This shift towards emotional intelligence is a game changer, making AI interaction feel less like a transaction and more like a conversation with a supportive friend. But the personality makeover doesn't stop there. Both instant and thinking have been designed to be more approachable and easier to understand. The responses are clearer, with a noticeable reduction in jargon and undefined technical terms. This makes OpenAI's most powerful models more accessible to a broader audience, bridging the gap between expert-level capability and everyday usability. But what if you don't like the default personality?
What if you don't?
What if you want an AI that's a little more you? Well, OpenAI has thought of that too. For the first time, OpenAI is putting the power of personalization directly into your hands. With GPT 5.1, you're no longer stuck with a one-size-fits-all AI. You can now mold and shape ChatGPT's personality to perfectly match your preferences and needs. It all starts with a revamped set of personality presets. You can choose from options like default, friendly, efficient, professional, candid, and quirky, allowing you to instantly switch between different conversational styles depending on the task at hand. But for the true power users, the customization goes even deeper. OpenAI is experimenting with a new feature that will allow you to fine-tune specific characteristics of the AI's personality using a series of sliders. You'll be able to adjust how concise, warm, or scannable its responses are, and even control how often it uses emojis. And, in a move towards a more proactive and intuitive user experience, ChatGPT can now offer to update your preferences for you. If it notices that you're repeatedly asking for a certain style, it will prompt you to save that preference, eliminating the need to constantly tweak the settings. Perhaps the most significant quality of life improvement in this area is that any changes you make to your personalization settings now take effect immediately across all of your chats, including ongoing conversations. No more starting a new chat just to get the AI to adopt your preferred tone. It's a small change, but it makes a world of difference in creating a seamless and consistent user experience. But all of these user-facing improvements are just the tip of the iceberg. Under the hood, GPT 5.1 is powered by some truly groundbreaking technology. The secret sauce that makes all of this possible is a revolutionary new technology called adaptive reasoning. This is a major architectural shift that allows both GPT 5.1 instant and thinking to intelligently assess the complexity of a prompt and allocate computational resources accordingly. Think of it like this. When you're doing a simple math problem, you don't need to use the same amount of brain power as when you're solving a complex calculus equation. Adaptive reasoning applies the same principle to AI. For simple, straightforward queries, the models use less computational power, resulting in near instantaneous responses. But for more complex multi-step problems, they ramp up the resources, dedicating more thinking time to ensure a thorough and accurate answer. This not only makes the AI more efficient, but it also makes it more effective. The proof is in the pudding. GPT 5.1 has already shown significant improvements on demanding math and coding evaluations, demonstrating its enhanced problem-solving prowess. This technological leap forward is what allows GPT 5.1 to be both a quick and witty conversationalist and a deep, analytical thinker, all in one package. It's the engine that drives the entire user experience, from the seamless auto-routing between instant and thinking to the nuanced and empathetic responses that make the AI feel more human than ever before. But of course, The big question on everyone's mind is, when can I get my hands on it? The good news is, you might not have to wait long. OpenAI is rolling out GPT-5.1 in a phased approach, starting with paid users on Pro, Plus, Go, and Business plans. From there, it will gradually be made available to free and logged-out users. Enterprise and EDU plans will get a 7-day early access period, after which GPT 5.1 will become the sole default model. For those who want to compare the new models with the old, the legacy GPT-5 models will remain available in a drop-down menu for paid subscribers for 3 months, giving everyone plenty of time to adapt to the new and improved ChatGPT. For the developers out there, both GPT 5.1 Instant and GPT 5.1 Thinking will be made available through the API later this week, opening up a world of possibilities for integrating this new, more personal AI into a wide range of applications and services. This phased rollout is designed to ensure a smooth and stable transition for everyone, and it's a clear sign that OpenAI is committed to making this powerful new technology accessible to as many people as possible. The release of GPT 5.1 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It's a shift away from the purely functional one-size-fits-all models of the past, and a move towards a future where AI is a true collaborator, a partner that can adapt to our needs, understand our intent, and help us achieve our goals with greater efficiency and creativity than ever before. The dual-model approach of instant and thinking, combined with the revolutionary power of adaptive reasoning and deep personalization, has created an AI that is not only smarter and more capable, but also more enjoyable and natural to interact with. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. It's the beginning of a new era of human-AI collaboration, one where the lines between tool and companion begin to blur. The future of AI is here, and it's warmer, smarter, and more personal than we could have ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest in tech and AI. And let us know in the comments what you think about the new GPT 5.1. Is it a game changer? Or just another step on the long road to true artificial general intelligence? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious.